up, y'all? What's going on? Today's Friday. Right now I'm heading to Full Throttle to pick up the rest of the stuff that I need for my fuel setup. I didn't really get to go over the fuel setup with you guys, what I'm doing, but I was gonna do it the regular, like traditional way, I guess. Like one side, how can I say it? So like right side will be, well, I guess passenger side will be feed, and then driver side will be return, like on the fuel rail. But Julio is fucking smart, and I forgot. Well, I didn't even think you could do it like this, because it's like how K-Series guys do it. So since I have the air mode fuel rail regulator, this right here, right? So what I'm basically gonna be doing is I'm just gonna be running one side of the fuel rail. Is just gonna be getting fuel, basically. So I'm not gonna do like the, again, traditional way of one side feed, one side return. So it's gonna be super simple, like the most simplest shit ever. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to do it today or tomorrow. I might have to do it like Sunday, because there's like so much going on. But if I get home in time, I'll try to do a little bit now and explain it to you guys a little bit better. But I can explain it to you guys a little bit better when I get like all the fuel line and stuff. But it's gonna be the most simplest shit ever, like the most simplest way ever. But you need this regulator to be able to do it this way, and you don't even need that much line. So shout out to Julio. He hooked me up with a brand new fuel filter, some extra lines he had for the, where is it, right here? Filter is somewhere in here. I just had the filter. Oh, right here. So he had like this extra line right here. Alright, I'm at a red light. Let me see if I can do this real quick. Alright, so right here I'm gonna run a 90, right? This is gonna be the feed. This is gonna be the other side of the feed. So obviously gonna run 2 mils here, run a 90. On the 90, I'm gonna connect the filter. Boom. This part is gonna connect to the return, which will be like basically like down there. So it'll be just like this, connected to the 90, and then I'm just gonna run literally another 90 off of here this way, and I said the fuel is here to another 90 into the fuel. The most simplest shit ever. This is the ethanol sensor, is E85, so you can run E85, 93, and it controls it. It lets you know how much you have, and sends a signal to the computer. So if you're running a little bit of a mix, you'll be fine. So this, literally, I have another male here. Obviously, I'm gonna take this off because I need a longer hose. But this is basically gonna go right here, and then basically the same right here into the return. So the return will be here, and then the feed will be like right here with the 90 into here. The most simplest shit ever. So yeah, then I gotta take this bracket off and probably flip it around and try to find like a spot on the firewall to mount it up. Alright, so I got here. So one thing I need to do real quick is, see if I can put this camera right here. Does it fit? No, it does not. Does it fit? No, it does not. Does it fit? No, it does not. Actually, I don't have the screen. You know what? I'm gonna put it. I'm just gonna put it this way. You guys should be able to see right there. Alright. What I do have to do, look at this whole row of vibrant lines. Only the best, baby! Alright. Oh shit, I just dropped some stuff out of here. Alright, one thing I forgot to do yesterday was measure how much I need. So, what I'll be doing right now is unwrapping this brand new line. And since I have my CRV, it's going to be roughly around the same thing. It's going to be like about the same shit as my Civic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this line, measure it from the fuel rail to the firewall, and then it should be about the same size. So now I'm going to tell Tom to cut it and put all the fittings on for me. And same goes for this one. I'm going to take this one out and put it on a longer hose, so that way I can cut it myself and figure it out. But let's go measure this. Alright, so I'm about to measure it. Might be a little noisy, but should be good. Take this line out and measure it this way. So, furo's here. It's gonna be about here. Here. Actually, measure it the other way. It'll be easier this way. So it'll be from, say, like from here. Like right here, give a little extra slide.
Oh, that's crazy,
yeah, I'm actually vlogging right now. It's good, bro.
That's crazy, my brother. I see your shit every time.
No, you good. I'm vlogging.
Yo, that's crazy, bro. I see your shit as soon as that shit drops, you heard?
Yeah, I appreciate you, bro. I'm measuring some lines right now. I'm about to get some fuel lines.
Okay, nah, man. Yo, I see you, man. Keep doing your thing, man.
Thank you for watching, bro. I appreciate you. Thank you, man. Yeah, so we should be good. Give a little extra, so like about like right here. Alright, so I just clamp it down like this, just so I know, I guess like a rough estimate, how much I need to cut it, because I don't have anything else to mark it. I don't have like no chalk or anything. That was funny, subscribers pulled up. Alright, let's grab the other stuff and head inside. Alright, head inside, full throttle. See who's here today. Tom.
Well, I mean, I have like the 1.5 shit. Okay. Because I already got my track number on it. So.
Oh, alright. So, 2 flat? I don't know what you're talking about.
What's up? 200 plus.
Yeah, right? I guess I'll be back when this shit's coming.
Tom, my boy. Alright. I got this bag right here for you, right? You ready for everything?
Nope.
Alright. So, yo, chill. I didn't have anything to mark. I just marked. So I just measured the CRV because I forgot to measure mine. So I need approximately like this. This should be fine. 'Cause I'm only doing from the free road to like the firewall. So
Okay.
I'm gonna mount this shit here. So that should be more than enough. 'Cause it's not that far. You feel me? Yeah. So you could cut this, right? But it's like a whole. All right. So this is everybody know the famous time. All right. Look. So obviously I need 2 males for this. Then you said I could run this on the bottom, right? So I just need the seal with the washer. What I was gonna say. So I need a 90 because I'm gonna run. You can say what's on.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna run basically the 90 to the filter, and I'm gonna just run this into the feed. I'm running like that basically.
Okay. You have that fitting?
No, I don't have anything.
Okay.
So I need the 2 males, 190 for this side, and then I want to take this fitting off. If you could take this fitting off for me and just, I guess, make like a longer line, just like this, so I could just cut it and at home. I don't know how long it'll be into the return once I put this on.
Okay.
I'm probably gonna have to run this the opposite way. I still don't know which way. I'm thinking this way, cause I think this is gonna.
Well,
I just don't know how much. Like I don't know if I could still move. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't know if I like on the firewall if I still have enough space.
well, how are you like on the firewall?
I was gonna mount it just like this way.
So the fuel's coming in from this side and going to the rail.
Yeah, it's gonna come from here and out through here into the fuel rail.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
And then just straight down into the return.
Gotcha. All right. Yep.
So I'm probably gonna just flip it around. So we got going on right now. Yeah, perfect.
What size is the gasket?
Yes, sir. Just like that.
87 mil.
Might fit. Ooh, that'll work. That'll work. Yeah, I'll leave it like that. That's fine. That'll work.
Definitely.
I'm gonna just flip this. I'm gonna flip this bracket around too. I'll just flip it around so I can mount it somewhere else. So this actually cleared perfectly. So we're good on that. Just putting the 290s on, and then we should be good. I'm actually just gonna tell him that he could tighten these up, cause I mean I'm basically ready to go. I'm gonna set it up here and just take it home and mount it up. Yeah, so this is everything. So I'm just gonna go home, you know, make sure everything's tightened up. Everything is just hand tying right now. But basically, this is how everything's gonna go. So Tom hooked it up, gave me this line right here, this Vibrant line, and he gave me the fitting to change the Edelbrock fitting that I have in the back of the manifold. So same size as this, so this will be perfectly fine. Gave me just a little extra. I'll measure it and cut it out. Use what and I'll be fine with there. Again, this is the feed. Probably gonna cut a little bit off of this because I don't think I'm gonna need that much. So I'll just cut some of this. He gave me some clamps for this. There's the return, perfect return cut right there with the clamp, and then there's gonna be the feed also for the fuel. Give it a little extra length because I'm probably gonna have to go like under the manifold or something. And then right here, you guys see right here, he gave me another male, which I gotta put this on the feed side obviously, and then the block off I'm gonna put on the other side. But pretty much this is it. That's a spacer with the seal in there, and this was able to work perfectly fine. I got like a banjo bow and everything else in there too. Now I'm actually gonna use this same exact line to run my the IAC lines from the side of the head to the IAC, and from the heater pipe core, from the heater pipe behind the motor to the IAC also. But yeah, that's pretty much it. There's a little bit of sunlight left. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this when I get home, but we'll see. But for sure, if not, then I'll probably end up doing it like Sunday or something like that. But I gotta go home anyways and make sure everything is tight, because again, everything is hand tying. So yeah, let's see if I do this when I get home or like in 2 days. See you guys. Alright, what's going on, guys? Today's Sunday, and just gonna try to do this video real quick of putting the fuel stuff on, because as you guys can see, it's brick. So like, I don't even know, 20-30 degrees, I have no idea. So I'm just gonna be mounting stuff on and then letting you guys know exactly what I'll do after. Alright, so bracket mounted right there, obviously with a downstar bolt. Now I'm gonna put the return. What's the return line? It's right here, so gotta do a little bit of some modifications, but yeah, I'm gonna get it done. Okay, so the feed is on there a little mingled. I'm not sure if that'll be okay. I mean, it's the return and it's coming out with pressure, so it should go down through there, and then it's right there. So it'll come down through there, and then like up and curve into there. Trying to see if that'll be fine. If not, I have to find like another location for this regulator. But my feed is all the way over here, and the feed is here, so that's definitely not gonna work out. So gotta like figure this out also. But I'm gonna just put like the feed, the male here, and try to run the other side feed to see if I could just do all that real quick. It is super cold. I'm trying to finish and go inside. Alright guys, so I did the feed here, capped off that side. I'm gonna have to do this stuff another day because it is way too cold outside right now. So yeah, I'm gonna leave all this for another day and head inside. Thank you guys again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Yo, it's way too cold, I can't even talk. Peace out, y'all.